Hello guys, may dumating sa akin na 2 package. Unboxing natin from somewhere over there. Na-surprise ako kanina pagdating ko. Sabi kasi ni Habi may para sa akin. Sabi ko, at sa akin. Hindi na, mag-order pa lang ako. Malit po. But he called me earlier. Ay. First package. Oh, so cute. Ano ba yun? Oh, baliktad ba? Ah, parang baliktad ah. Oh, hindi. Hindi siya baliktad. Ganyan siya. Sabi niya, saan ba? Baliktad. Saan ba? Oh, dito. Dito pala basahin sa likod. Friendship. Friends give hope when life is low. Friends are a place where we can go. Friends are precious, honest, and true. I feel so lucky my friend is. Oh, so sweet. And so cute. Oh, it's like so carving. And another one. Oh, interesting. It's sending smiles, hugs, and happiness. So, saan pa kayo? Reveal. Surprise. Saan ba to? Aww. Ay, intak pa na ko ulit. Look. So, look so fancy. Ay. Bango. Smile, sad, and all happy vibes. Pasensya na guys, hindi ako marunong mag-unboxing. Aww, crochet flowers. Look guys. Okay. Oh, ha? So cute. Dapat isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima. Kulang, uy. Kulang ang flower. It's like a baby. And I have a hand cream. Perfume. Buksan ko ha. Bango. Ang bango niya. Hand cream din siya. Pwede rin siya pabango. Kasi mabango naman siya. And we have ano to? Kandila. Bango. Bango. Parang ano siya sa ano? Sabat. Bango. Sumabango. And don't know. Surprise. Isa-isahin natin ay. Oh. Hey. So, wait, kuha ko ng gunting. Huwag ka matumba video ha. Magulo ang aking camera. Oh, it's a bracelet. Look. So cute. Bagay sa akin kasi maliit ang wrist ko. Ay, Shano. Ay, oh. Shiny. Next. Oh. Pati socks mabango. Para ano talaga siya, spring. My favorite socks. Perfect sa akin. I like the color too. It's gonna purplish and pink. Oh, so comfy. Oh, nice. Oh, very nice. Next. Oh, sabon. Coconut oatmeal. Bango. Para siyang para siyang pagkain. Mabango. Next. What's this? Scented candle. Ooh. Cute. Scented candle. Ano ito? Vanilla? Hand poured candle for calm moments. I like vanilla. Oh. And last. What's this? Charan! Skin. Straw. Glass straw. Wonder this is cup. Oh, so cute. With the flowers carving. Oh, Shauna. Love it. With the wood, oh, you can put that straw here. Oh, Shauna. I love it. Thank you, si Koy, Twam Businesswoman, for the early birthday gift. Hindi ko, na-surprise ako. Kasi, walang nakakaalam ng address ko. That's all, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much, si Koy. Bye-bye.